Hey guys, welcome to Country Roads Media, and today's video I'm going to try to make a fire in the stream. Okay, got a nice little pad out of rock set up, so now I'm going to start building the fire. Kyler's up there trying to fish for a little trout that he saw. Alright, I got the little fire all set up, so now all I have to do is light it. I have a little fire starter in there with some dry leaves and then sticks. I'm not going to make it too huge because I don't want a big fire, but let's try it. I got the flint and steel here, ready to roll. So I tried with the flint and steel for a while, and I don't know, it might be too wet or something, but we're going to whip out the lighter, and that should get it started. Rudders, why go anywhere else? Okay, so the fire's kind of burning. I can't get it to really set off, but it's still cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. I'm not in the mood to start any forest fires today.